Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, guys. Cancers, this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity or if you have any doubts in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys, Cancers. So let's start with the general reading. We have 10 of moons in reverse, the sun, and death. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be something to do in your career situation or your relationship, guys. So, maybe you have a circumstance, you may be having some kind of a misunderstanding with the people you work with or someone in your family. Some kind of arguments or fights are there in your situation, and you are simply feeling angry and you feel that they are not giving you respect and they don't have that true concern on you and they are insulting you, maybe. So this may be your energy or that person's energy towards you, guys. Maybe you are not respecting them or you feel that they are not respecting you. So these energies may be vice versa, guys. So some kind of stress or worries because of that. And maybe today some kind of changes are happening in your situation, guys. Maybe by the way things are going, you have a different way of seeing things, or your perception is changing, or this person's way of thinking is changing, and you have so much relief because of this change or because of this new way of thinking you have today. So some kind of relief from stress you feel. Or maybe this person was what to say, holding a very important position in your life, and the way they are thinking or changing, it is simply giving you happiness and relief, guys. And these changes may, for some of you, it may be quite stressful, but you need to understand that these changes are necessary for a positive outcome in your future, guys. That is the reason for these changes in your life today, and you are going to feel extremely happy, content because of these changes happening. For some of you, it may even push towards a positive growth in your career or in your personal life. This person may, the way you have changed or the way you are have changed your behavior, it is taking towards marriage or engagement, and you are going to enjoy success, guys. Cancers, that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energy. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have 10 of stars. So with this card in your relationship, guys, this may be what your person feels or what you feel with this love in this connection, guys. So maybe for some of you, the way you perceive things in this relationship is changing, guys, totally. That was the energy we saw with this previous card. So some kind of major changes, maybe the way you are, maybe because you don't want to fight anymore, you don't want to hold any resentments towards this person, so you are changing the way you are or this person is changing their perception. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. So we have Ace of Spheres. So in your career, you are going to see success, guys, prosperity, and you're going to see new opportunities coming your way. So maybe some new projects or some financial deals, whatever your work is, you are going to get all that, guys. Cancers. So that is the reading, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So if you have any questions or confusions in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes and meditate with these crystals. So whichever crystal comes to you first after you open your eyes, you can choose the card. So that reading may resonate, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. Let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep this card aside. So let's see what it is. Water and salt. Truth. So with this card, guys, the reading for you all in your situation today, maybe you are speaking the truth, or someone is speaking the plain truth without any without any cover up. They are not masking their truth, the plain truth, and you, maybe it is you or it is your person, and you feel really stressed because of that, because for most of us, we are unable to digest the truth, because a truth is always bitter, and maybe this person is honest. They have honest and truthful intentions towards us. That is the reason they are saying a few things, but we are unable to digest it. This may be your energy, or this person you're in a relationship with, it may be their energy, guys. So maybe today you may feel stressed or worried, or this person speaking truth, they may face a lot of anger from the other person. So for speaking truth, they may not be valued, they may even be punished, but in the long term, this truth will just prove itself, guys. So you need to understand that today. So being honest, maybe face to face, just saying what we feel right and what is the truth in any circumstance. Maybe today it may not be taken well by the people around us, but in time it will prove right, and they will understand your worth, and they will understand the worth of your love, and the present discomfort will be worth it when they understand why you spoke those words. So this may be your energy, or this person you're love with, their energy, guys. Maybe you are facing some difficulties because of those honest words you have spoken today, but you need not worry. Your truth will win, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who have chosen the second card, the Frog Prince, intimacy. So sometimes in life, we are afraid to let that other person see us totally, what we are emotionally and what we are psychologically. So we are avoiding some people, avoiding someone, maybe they have true love towards us and they have truthful intentions towards us and they love us a lot, they like us a lot, but we are afraid to go close to them because we have some past fears or something is obstructing the way we are today. But we need to understand that only when you let that other person see what we are truthfully in our heart of hearts, you will be able to build that strong foundation for a beautiful relationship. So maybe you are keeping someone at a distance and you are trying to avoid them. Maybe you like them, but you have some kind of fear or something is blocking you in this relationship. Maybe it is time you share your feelings, spend time with this person, have that affection, bring that affection, grow that affection, and bring that closeness in this connection, guys, and build openness, having that open heart to heart communication. That is what is going to help you today to build a meaningful, intimate, and a beautiful relationship with the other person. So you need to let go of your fears or whatever, maybe some ideals you may have, or the way of life, some ideas about the way of life, whatever you have, some kind of a possessive attitude, whatever it is, you need to let go of that today, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.